Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mercy Kiando. For those who are new, karibuni sana. I almost forgot my signature greeting, but anyways, don't worry, today TANESCO aliamua, and once umeme ulivorudi tu nikaamua tu let me just put on something and then so that I can come and look presentable to you. So today we are going to be talking about what is it called, media kit, and I'm going to describe to you how to make one. So I'm not going to be very specific because everybody has their own thing, but I'm also going to be very specific. I am also going to be very specific so that you can know how to make it, because just know that hata mimi nilipitia kipindi kigumu mpaka ni come up na those ways, and then I had to watch so many videos in order for me to come up yani nawapa hii. So you're welcome. Yeah, so basically let me just put screen record. Yeah, here. So basically what a media kit, like I said in my last video, is a must-have for every influencer, and a media kit ni sort of like a profile, and ina kila kitu ambacho if you send to a brand ina description zako, like umefanya kazi wapi, demographic, geography ya your audience and whatnot. Yeah, so I'm going to go to Canva. Also, something that I said you should have as an influencer. So I'm going to go to Canva. Canva is this third app after Lightroom. So yeah, you go to Canva, and then sorry, it's going to take a while. Yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, the benefits of Canva, you can see Instagram post, video, Instagram story, logo, any basically, we are going to talk about Canva some other day, but basically, so let's go to search here, search for media kit. You see? So you get it, then unaenda. So unapewa like so many templates like that. So you choose according to what you think, and kama uko free, me I use the free one. So kuna zile ambazo ziko free, kuna zile ambazo za kulipa. Nothing, it's not a big deal. So twende kwa hii, this one. So this is a media kit. So kwenye media kit unaona kama hapa female wardrobe stylist, she's a stylist, kwa hiyo ameandika hapo juu like who she is. So kama wewe unaweza sema a content creator and an influencer, and then unaandika majina yako yote mawili, kama if you have a website. If you don't, then unaweza acha. Personally, I don't have a website. And then unakuta hapa there are spaces for pictures, as you can see, unaona hapo, and then unaandika hapo like a topic, kuna kibox hapo kama cha about Felicia Simmons, and then hapo chini unaandika yani like everything about Felicia. So and then hapa unaonyesha your media, your social media you are following or subscription kwenye each social media that you are active on. And then as you can see, this media kit has another page. It has 2 pages. So inaonyesha like you show your high quality pictures, unaziweka hapo kama jinsi yeye alivyofanya, and then unafanya hivyo na hivyo. So let me take you to one that I did kama sample. Please do not copy, because let me show you here. Okay, you can copy if you want, but don't let it not isisifanane. So like here nimeandika Mercy Kiando, fashion, beauty and lifestyle content creator. I was supposed to write content creator, but like I said, this is just an sample. And then nimeweka my photo here. Yeah, basically because I was sending to a hair brand, so I had to put a picture which shows the brand that, yani like what I really represent. I can't put like a OOTD and yet I'm not for fashion. Yeah, so about the brand, nimeandika hapo like it's a Tanzanian based brand that creates digital content around natural hair care, protective style, and sometimes other forms of beauty by providing relatable, informative, and entertaining in order to bring value to its audience. And then hapo nimeandika IG following. Like I said, my main platform is Instagram, so nimeandika 1K. I was supposed to write 1K plus and then IG followers, but nikaandika hapo kwamba 30-day channel profile, kwamba hii ni ya 30-day channel mpaka hiyo, yani kwa hiyo siku ambao ninanili. Kwa inamaanisha kwamba it might change. Yeah, so nikaandika na my engagement which is 5% rate. And then nikaandika kwamba about Mercy the Virgin, which is my sasa Instagram number. The brand gives reviews, recommendation, tips and tutorials to its audience so they can have a lot to choose from and how to care for their hair and when they're in a protective style, something like that. And then nikaenda huku, unaona kama mimi hapa sasa nimeandika demographics. Nimeenda, unaona kama if you are on a business page on Instagram, you go to demographic kwenye insights, and then unakuta kwamba kuna gender, kuna age range, kuna location, kuna top location. These things are so important because kama brand inakuja kwako, maybe they want to give you a product which is for men, and yet ukiangalia hapa kwenye demographics zako unakuta kwamba most of your audience ni female, so you are obviously not, you can't work with the brand, and it's okay to say no. So yani like that, and maybe they have a product for females and then maybe it's for ages 45 to 54, and then as you can see from mine hapa unakuta kwamba 25 to 34 ndo wengi. Kwa hiyo unakuta kwamba I can't align myself with that brand. And also top location, maybe they want the products ifike maybe in the States, and yet nikiangalia pa States iko chini sana, or maybe to East Africa, and then nikiangalia hapa nakuta kwamba East Africa mimi nipo Kenya, at least Kenya na Tanzania, so it makes sense. I think you get the drift. And then so hapa naandika to demographics, my most frequent visitors, ndio hivyo. According to Instagram insights, my demographics are aligned to the type of content that is created by the brand, which is hair. So hiyo hapo. And then reach, you can also go to the insight, you just pick the first few, unakuta your reach ndo hii, kwa sababu reach is the actual accounts that your content inafika, sio impressions. Impressions ni not everyone ameziona, lakini hii reach ni kwamba it is the amount of people ambayo, amount of accounts ambayo your content imefika, accounts. I don't know if I make any sense. So reach is also important. So nimeandika hapo, and then I just screenshot nikaweka, na hata hizo za juu demographics hizo ni screenshot nikazi collage, picture collage nikaziweka pamoja, na hii ni screenshot nikaweka pamoja like that. And then what I want for my brand, the future of the brand, yani hivi vitu vingine ni mboembo tu. And then hapa unakuta kwamba like my engagement, there is an app unaweza enda unananili unaangalia like unaandika your Instagram page, and then inakupa like your engagement rate. I think I'm going to put, if I don't put it now, I will mention it in other videos. Yeah, so unaona my engagement rate is 5.41%, ambao ni average interaction per post unakuta 80 likes and then 16 comments. And then brands that I've worked with ndio your BioCare Lab, TCB Naturals, Her Given Hair, Dr. D's Organics hizo hapo, and then chini nikaweka communications and whatnot, vitu kama hivyo. Yeah, so basically that's that. So what I mean, this is just an example, but what I mean in kwenye nanili so a media kit inatakiwa first of all kuwa na about information about the brand, short, very short. So just go to the point. What does it do? What is the, yani, where is it based kwanza, and then what does it do, and what type of information does it give to the audience, kitu kama hicho. And then unaenda kwenye like unaonesha pia like IG. Actually if you if you go to the media kit ya Canva, inakudirect how to put it. Yeah, so you just show, you have to give also information about your platform that you want. If kama una mbili, unaziweka zote mbili, the following and its engagement, and then unaandika sasa about hiyo pay, yani bado still about the brand, what it gives, kama inafanya reviews only ama kama inafanya entertainment and what type of entertainment, kama ina give tips, kama inafanya tutorials, kama inafanya tu like lifestyle, kwamba yenyewe ni ku travel and see reviews za hoteli, unasema kitu kama hicho. And then pia ndio hivyo nimekuambia demographics, unaenda kwenye insights, unapata demographics, unapata reach, una screenshot, unazimatch pamoja and then unaziweka hapo, and yeah, kitu kama hicho. And then engagement rate, yes, the inaitwa webfluencer, kitu kama hicho. And then just Google, I'll mention in another video, because I know I might not remember today, but I'll mention in another video. But basically kuna website ambayo inananili your engagement rate, and then kama kuna brands ambazo unazatumia, and this is the thing, kama umefanya kazi na brands or you have collaborated hivyo, and then una screenshot the logos. You don't have to say like I've worked with BioCare Lab, I've worked with TCB Naturals, I've worked with so and so. Just wana logo, so screenshot the logos and then zimerge kama one page and then ziweke kama vile mimi nilivyoweka. So I hope mmejifunza. That's it. I don't have a lot. If you have any question, just let me know. Have a nice time. Ciao.